Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube watermark in Canva. Now let's dive in. First of all, just open your Canva, go on the left side, click on create, and here scroll down to the bottom. You will see this option custom size. Click on it and type here 1080 by 1080. Okay, now click on create new design. Alright, now you can just select template from here. So just go in the search bar and type here YouTube. Okay, so as you can see, different type of YouTube templates. So if you want something specific like YouTube subscribe or like, just type over here. So YouTube subscribe or YouTube like and subscribe. Now subscribe. Okay, as you can see this one. So after that, just click on share, click on download, and you can download this PNG. Just upload it direct to your YouTube video. Okay, now if you want to make a custom watermark, just go on the left side, click on elements, go on the search bar and type here any element you want. So for example, I want subscribe element. Okay, now click on get graphics, and from here select your element. So I'm gonna go and select this one. As you can see, I'm gonna change the hand color and the click color. Alright, so as you can see, this is looking pretty much good. So just go on top right corner, click on download, and you can upload this watermark to your YouTube video. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.